Hello, friend. Find a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. And let's begin. Close your eyes and take a moment to go inward. If it's helpful, you can rub your third eye with your thumb to activate this inner vision. Allow the outside world to become quieter and smaller than the world inside you. Light a candle within. Hold it to your darkest corners and just notice how you feel. When the world around us is a fluttering flock of birds' wings, or a racing river, or a hurricane spinning, it is normal to take on some of that flutter, rush, and spin. If you find it there, inside you, allow it to rise to the surface, leaving only feathers, sand, and sunshine behind. Stop pushing it down. Welcome it to your kitchen table as you would a friend. Sit and sip tea together. Let it talk and let it be. When it is time for these feelings to leave, gently help them with their coats and clutch their hands in yours. And on your next exhale, watch them drive away. As you allow your spirit to melt a bit more, take a moment to scan your body for pockets of peace. Check your left thumb, your right ankle, your clavicle, and the top of your head. Wherever there is peace, feel it and allow it to expand. On every exhale, make more space for the peace to grow. Imagine this peace as a flower blooming between your palms. Breathe in its sweet scent. You have been busy on the inside. You have been climbing a steep trail, and your legs are tired. Notice here, halfway up the mountain, there is a clearing and a bench. Please sit. Notice how it feels to stop climbing, to let go of the pressure, the clock, the thoughts. Take a deep breath in and out. Again, in and out. Feel free to sigh it out. Continue to sit here, enjoying the view and the rest. I'm here with you, friend, sitting beside you on the bench. I'm watching the tension drain out of you and down into the healing earth. I see your heart rising slowly toward the sunlight. I see you lift your face to the warmth and smile. Be well.